In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to make a white background picture in Canva. If you want clean, professional images for projects, presentations, or social media, this is the best method. Let's get started. Once you're in Canva, open the project that contains the image you want to edit, or start a new design from scratch. Then, click on the image you'd like to adjust. Now, here's the key step. Canva Pro gives you access to the background remover tool. With your image selected, go to the top menu and click on BG Remover. Canva will automatically remove everything except your subject. After the background is removed, it won't be white just yet. It'll be transparent. To make it white, click anywhere outside the image, then go to the background color option. From the palette, choose white. If parts of your image need refining, you can use Canva's Erase and Restore tools within the Background Remover panel. This lets you clean up edges or bring back details if needed. For an even more polished look, use Canva's editing tools. Adjust brightness, contrast, or sharpness to make your subject stand out against the new white background. Once your image looks clean and professional, click the Share button at the top right, then choose Download. Select PNG or JPG format. Both work great for white backgrounds. And that's it. You've just created a white background picture in Canva. It's fast, easy, and gives your images a polished, professional finish. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.